Most of these generators, you'll look at it, and on the bottom of the tank you'll have your fuel petcock shut-off valve. It screws into the bottom of the tank, and then it has a fuel line that comes off of it, goes to the carburetor, and you'll notice there's no fuel line in line with that hose that you see on like lawnmowers and stuff. Well, for number one, these fuel petcocks, where it screws up into the tank, it actually has a screen that goes up in there, and that traps sediment and stuff in that screen. Also too, if you see a fuel petcock and it's got this little hex head on the bottom of it like that, most of these are like a little sediment bowl like you used to see on old tractors and cars and stuff. You can remove that and clean out any sediment that settles in there out of the fuel. This one here takes a 10mm wrench, and it'll just screw right off. As long as you got the fuel shut off, you'll get a little bit of gas, but not a lot. Just make sure you got the petcock turned off. And then you can see right there, that's where any of your sediment will be. Most of the time, as long as you're putting good fuel in your generator, you really don't have to worry about that screen inside the tank. But if you start having running problems and this is clean and you're still not getting good fuel flow, then you want to pull the petcock out of the bottom of the tank to clean that screen or replace that screen. I'm not going to show you that today because this thing's full of fuel, but it's not something you have to do very often. This is something you want to check every so often and clean out so you don't get none of that sediment into the carburetor. Now, some people add an inline filter in the fuel line for extra protection, but you really don't need it. If you look here on my 1963 Model 4 tractor, it has a glass sediment bowl on the carburetor right there. It has a screen on the petcock on the bottom of the fuel tank, just like the generator, and it has a sediment bowl, and that's what it uses to filter the fuel. So you see that sediment bowls is an old concept and a old type design, but it's a good and effective design. As long as you're using good clean fuel, you'll be okay. So I hope you found this information useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.